Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. We're going to be talking about my favourite releases this month. It's practically just shoes at this point because the streetwear has been very non-existent. FTP, Palace and Supreme don't start till next month. At least Supreme doesn't start until next month. Palace is usually the same, just a couple of weeks later. And FTP comes in every so often, so we'll wait and see when they end up. I've got a couple of shoes to talk about this month, that's it. Usually there'll be a lot more streetwear involved also, but it's just shoes this month. In no particular order, we're going to start off with number one. So this is the Nike Air Force 07s. They have the red tick on them, so it's just the classic white silhouette, but they have the red tick. They're going for £75, at least at Shoe and other retailers. They're still available at Shoe if you guys want to pick them up. I'll leave a link in the description below, and there'll be a picture up there just to show you guys what they actually look like. But they're literally just the white silhouette with the red tick in the 07 style silhouette. Number two on the list is the same, but it's with the blue tick. So it's the Nike Air Force 07, but the blue tick. It's just the classic white silhouette again, but with the blue tick instead of the white tick, in the 07 silhouette style. These also go for £75, at least in Shoe and other retailers. I'll leave a link in the description below again. For these ones, these are insane. If you like Air Forces, which I do, because this is the year Air Forces and Jordans again for me, as it was last year, but they're both insane. They're definitely one of the best pickups you could probably do. They're cheap, they're reliable, Air Forces always work, and you can practically wear them with anything. Next we have the Nike SB Dunk Panda Pigeons. They released on January 15th for £85 in the UK. They're reselling for currently £214 at this moment in recording, which is actually not bad for a dunk. These were extremely hyped though, so I don't put it past them. These feature a panda-like colourway with the white and black upper with some accents of green that links to bamboo, which is insane. If you think about it, there is really small accents like the Nike logo and stuff. It's got green accents on it, which is an extremely good touch. It shows the correlation between the animal and the shoe they're going for. Continue to the insole where they have the iconic pigeon embroidery. Also what appears on the heel of the shoe is a stamp not for resale, which is a good touch. It's printed on the interior, and on the there's a translucent outsole with newsprint headline, which relates back to the 2005 event that caused riots. I feel like Jeff Staple done a great job in these.
My name is Jeff.
It definitely resembles everything he was going for, and it speaks for itself, the shoe. Number four is the Nike Air Fear of God 1. This is in the light bone and the black colourway. This was released on January 19th for £300. The black average in resale is £543 at this moment in recording, and the light bone is £532 resale in average. It's already driving people crazy on Instagram as soon as they were released, and everyone that got them is showing them off. They're insane. You can wear them with a lot of things and get away with it. So its functional design and its innovative air unit, it makes them one of the best shoes. It makes them one of the best shoes that you can probably get right now. The shoe is definitely going to have a very high grail status on everyone's list if you didn't cop them, because they're insane. They work perfectly well. Generally Lorenzo done an amazing job, and when he said he was working with Nike, everyone went insane because, well, it produces something like this. It's mad. Last but not least, in the month of January, one of my favourite releases actually has been the Nike Blazer Mids. These were the 77 vintage. They came in Pacific Blue, Lucid Green and Habanero Red, if I'm pronouncing that properly. In the UK we only actually got the blue ones on the sneakers app, unless they were released some other place. I didn't cop the blue ones. I'm going to probably get them soon though, because I do like them. It took me a while to like them due to the suede patches on the upper, but that's obviously correlates more to like the skateboarding and like skating scene, where that's where you rub your toe mostly when coming off the skateboard doing tricks and stuff. It does fit, looks insane. The colour scheme, very minimalistic, but just bangs, so good. These released on January 19th and they were for £90. So It's actually not that bad. Quite cheap, does the job, good shoe. Yeah, so this is my top releases of January. There wasn't a lot, but next month I'll have Supreme involved, maybe Palace, maybe FTP, and yeah, more shoes, because who doesn't love shoes? But if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe. If you want me to change anything or improve on anything, just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely try. I'm still trying to make this Impossible Beast. If you guys have any suggestions, just leave them below. But yeah, peace guys.